decorations are a lot of fun to make. They don't take a lot of time to do it. These decorations were done for me, for a good friend of mine, Mike Volpe, and this is his design, this is my design. I like my design better. Add a little bit to it. Okay. Shut the freezer off. See how easy that come up? No issues.
What a machine.
What a machine.
What a machine.
Now what we're going to do, we're going to do something a little different. Put that back on for a second. And we're going to add some crunch to the gelato. All right? So when you're scooping it, you get a little treat inside there. Clean place, a happy place. Remember that. See how easy that come up?
What a machine.
No problem. What I like to do, again, make sure every part of that is full. I want my customer to get the full value of the product, because if I'm the customer buying this, I want full value. Okay, stop it right there, get the next pan ready to go, which is right behind you. Thank you. Always what you want to do is check up here in a hopper, shut the machine off, because I told you before, never ever do this when the machine's running. Get everything down in there. Don't leave any money in the machine. Okay? Now, all of my recipes, the volume is usually this amount. And what I tell the customer is the first pan that comes out is for your display case. This pan comes out is for your samples, or your gelato pops, or whatever you like to do. Okay? I'm going to leave that there for a second. Okay. What I like to do, personal opinion, personal preference rather, is just level it out, let my customer know that they're getting the full value of what's going on here. Look how beautiful that looks. Eh? Now, what are we going to do with this? We could do a little chocolate decoration. Okay, put that there. That there, little chocolate covered hazelnut, put that over there, some hazelnut over here. No wrong way of doing anything, right? And since we'll put some chocolate in here too.
So then, take me through, when you made these.
Yes, sir.
You made these yourself, right?
I made them with Mike Volpe.
Okay.
Okay.
And you just took some chocolate, some vanilla, or white chocolate, and dark chocolate?
From their brand, okay? They have an absolute fabulous line that is so easy to handle and use that you do not need any training like I went through. All the money I spent on classes and throughout the years of going and doing things and trying to be a chocolatier and all the expensive equipment, they brought it down to the simplicity of a microwave and a strip on a table like this. What we did is we took a strip of acetate, clear acetate, put it on a table, mixed some white chocolate first, and poured the white chocolate down, then made the design, let it set about 3 minutes, took some dark chocolate, and put the dark chocolate over it, which is how we accumulated and did this. And the whole process took 10, 15 minutes, all right? And the best part about the process is it was reusable. What was left over on the table, we scraped up and put it in another container. Didn't put it back in the same container, put it in a different container. And it's just reusable time and time again. Now, different flavor, different spade. I got more than one gelato spade here. So you're ready to rock and roll on that situation. But take a look at this magnificent, beautiful hazelnut. How about that in your display case?